What if you could start making money online without a degree, years of experience, or a big budget? Welcome to Bite-Sized Future, where big opportunities come in small, powerful bites. In this video, we'll explore 10 AI tools that can help you earn real income with little to no formal education. By the time you finish watching, you'll know exactly which tools can start generating income fast and how to scale them into something much bigger. What if your simple designs could pay your bills? With Canva, that's not just a dream, it's a very achievable start. This AI-powered design tool lets you create professional quality graphics, logos, and social media posts with a simple drag-and-drop interface. No design degree, no complicated software, just your ideas and Canva's tools. You can begin for free, start creating templates, and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. Businesses, influencers, and online stores all need eye-catching visuals every single day. And the best part? It's fast to start, easy to scale, and can grow from small gigs to steady, high-paying projects. Now, if you think writing isn't for you, what if you could still make money writing without actually writing? Imagine creating blogs, ads, or even ebooks with ease. ChatGPT lets you do exactly that, turning your thoughts into ready-to-sell content instantly. Whether you want to offer freelance writing services, craft product descriptions for online stores, or publish your own ebooks, this tool does most of the heavy lifting. It's beginner-friendly, comes with a free version, and the demand for written content is exploding. Freelancers charge from $50 to $500 per project, and with AI, you can handle multiple clients at the same time. But maybe writing isn't your thing. What if you could make videos instead, without ever showing your face? Pictory opens that door by transforming text into engaging videos automatically. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels, TikTok content, or Instagram Reels, it helps you create monetizable videos in days rather than weeks. You can earn through ad revenue or offer video creation services to brands and creators hungry for content. Video is in constant demand, and this tool lets you join that wave with almost no editing experience. And speaking of videos, what if you could become a paid spokesperson without even appearing on camera? That's where DID and HeyGen come in. They create realistic talking avatars from just a photo and a script. Upload an image, type your message, and the avatar speaks for you. Small businesses, educators, and online marketers are paying for these types of explainer and promo videos. The setup is quick, and the earning potential ranges from $20 per short clip to hundreds for larger packages. But what if your strength isn't visuals or avatars? What if it's words that sell? Tools like Copy.ai and Jasper can turn you into a marketing copywriter overnight. These AI-driven platforms craft ad copy, emails, and product descriptions that convert browsers into buyers. You can freelance, create ready-made ad templates, or even run campaigns for small brands. Businesses are willing to pay $100 to $500 or more for effective copy. And with AI doing most of the heavy lifting, you can start with minimal marketing experience. Yet, if you prefer something more hands-off, what if your art could sell while you sleep? By using Midjourney to create unique artwork and Printful to print and ship products, you can launch a print-on-demand business without holding inventory. Every sale can bring $5 to $50 in profit, and your online store keeps running while you rest. It's low cost to start, highly scalable, and the market for custom apparel, mugs, and posters is still booming. And if you want something even quicker, what about building websites in under a minute? Durable makes that possible by using AI to instantly create business-ready websites. Many small businesses need affordable solutions fast, and you can provide that without coding skills. Charge per website or offer monthly services. Freelancers often start small and grow to full-time income from just a few clients. But maybe websites aren't your lane. How about voiceovers? With Play.ht, you don't need to love your voice or even use it. This tool generates professional, realistic voiceovers for audiobooks, ads, and courses. It's fast, simple, and can bring in $20 to $300 per project. And if you want to add more value to those voiceovers, what if you could make Google drive traffic to the content you create? Surfer SEO helps websites and blogs climb search engine rankings by analyzing keywords and content structure. Businesses and bloggers pay well for SEO services, sometimes on a monthly retainer between $100 and $1,000 plus. While it helps to know SEO basics, the tool guides you through each step, turning average content into top-ranking assets. And finally, what if you didn't create content at all, but sold the secret ingredient behind it? PromptBase allows you to sell effective prompts for tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. This is a low-barrier entry point. You just need creativity and an understanding of how to get the best outputs from AI. Each prompt can sell for $5 to $50, and once uploaded, they can generate passive income over time. It's like selling the recipe instead of cooking the meal. Light work, steady reward. And there you have it, 10 AI tools that can help you earn real income without years of schooling or a huge budget. The real question is, which one will you start with today? Whether it's creating stunning designs, building websites, selling AI prompts, or turning your words into money-making content, the opportunities are already here, waiting for you to take action. Subscribe to Bite-Sized Future for more bite-sized guides like this, because your next big step into the future might just start with one small click.